Yes.
In what way?
I would say on many levels, but maybe the first level, which is probably what not most people would say, but about Yiddish, is because I'm I'm an outsider for basically every level. Like I'm French. I'm here. I mean I'm Jewish but not religious. I'm everything and I'm the opposite. I'm not like you cannot put me in a box. And actually I don't want to be put in a box. Um, but because of this, I think my first I would say cause in life is prejudice. Um, and I play klezmer or Yiddish music for probably I suspect a majority of Francophone people in Canada at least. And I give conferences, and and I think the most important thing is to show that Jews are like everybody. Just like they're just Jewish. Some are more, some are less. But probably that would be my first cause. I would say Francophone or not Jewish, generally speaking. And Klezmer has this power. Yiddish, probably less. And that's one of my challenges. I'm trying to figure out how to bring Yiddish to non-Jewish and non-Anglophone audiences. But Klezmer has this power, and because I'm French and Francophone, I think in Quebec it helped a lot to build bridges. Um, but there are other bands, and there's one other band for en particulier in Quebec where they're only Francophones, and most of them are not Jewish, and I know they have huge success at the moment. Uh, I think it's very important. So maybe preserving the past is important for the Jewish community, but I'm trying, and maybe because I'm somewhere between all those words, I think my cause is to bring this music and this knowledge to non-Jewish audiences, basically.